These are funniest Minecraft moments. At number 5, they choose to use the power of friendship. At number 4, bro had enough.
Alright. Oop. Yeah, what are you gonna do now? You can't get me up here, buddy.
At number 3, this kid grew up so fast.
Yo! No way! These niggas got game. They going on a date now.
At number 2, bro switched gender.
Guys. Guys.
What?
Guys.
At number 1, I was not expecting that.